A couple of days ago, a new package came, and I just want to share with you what's inside of this. And I also want to let you know that this company has a sale going on through April 23rd. So I'm going to be sharing more about that here in a minute. So here is what's in my package. There's this nice little plastic sleeve, and this is from the Gentle and Classical Press. This is a little card. It says it's Curriculum Box Day. And this is a little flyer about some of the programs that Gentle and Classical Press offers. They have preschool, kindergarten, morning virtues for multi-age. They have some nature study, some science. I know they have an agriculture unit. And they also have these absolutely gorgeous on mission magazines that study one country at a time. Now, first, I'm just going to show you because I'm really excited. But this is the Madagascar magazine. And then I also got Vietnam and Australia. Now, I do want to let you know that the Gentle and Classical Press actually sent these to me to use with my children and for me to review here on my channel. So thank you so much to the Gentle and Classical Press for sending these to me. They are absolutely gorgeous magazines, and I can't wait to show you more about these. I am actually going to be doing some kind of flip through videos and just more in depth about how this program works. But for today, I'm just going to give you some very basic information so that you can get in on the sale that they're having right now through April 23rd. Okay, so a little bit about the Gentle and Classical Press. They have lots of different curriculum options on their website. First of all, they do have some digital only resources. They have some resources that you can get digital or print. And then they also have some things that will be just print. So with that said, I would like to tell you a little bit about the On Mission magazines that they have specifically. They actually have 4-year bundles that you can get, where each bundle or year has 4 different countries that you are studying. And so they have each bundle that has 4 magazines is currently on sale for only $19.78 for all 4 magazines. They're usually $32.97 if you are paying full price. So that is a really good deal. Now, you don't have to buy them in a bundle if you're interested in just one country. They have 16 countries currently that you can choose from. But if you're just wanting one country, they are currently on sale for $6.59, and they are usually $10.99. So that is also a really good deal if you're just wanting to try one magazine. They also have one magazine, the India magazine, that you can actually get for free, and you can download the magazine along with the teacher resources and some activities and things like that, all for free from their website. So I will go ahead and link that down below in the description box for you because you aren't going to want to miss that. That is a PDF download. I already have downloaded the India country, so we can have that one as well. These magazines are geared towards about kindergarten or K4 through 6th grade students. So you can use this in your morning basket or as your elementary social studies geography curriculum. So I'm just going to read you the little piece of information about the On Mission magazines directly from their website because the way that they wrote it is just so perfect. It says, On Mission is a curriculum that engages children preschool through upper elementary with a cultural feast for their minds and hearts. That sounds really cool and definitely like something that I would want to use in our homeschool. Through beautiful images, living books, engaging activities, simple handcrafts, hands-on projects, stimulating challenges, interesting stories, and wise discipleship, our children are introduced to countries and cultures in a gentle and classical way. So I just wanted to share that with you because it just sounds like the heart behind their program is just um, to glorify God and to gently instruct our children so that they can learn about God's creation and what He has created in our world. And I just think that is so beautiful. Like I said, these do come with teacher resources, so it'll help you figure out how to schedule this, different activities that you can do to print out for your students. I will be doing a more in-depth flip through and kind of sharing about all of the resources in my next video about this. So I'm really excited to use this in our homeschool, and I hope that if you are interested in something like this, that you will go ahead and click that link down below in the description box to go and check out the Gentle and Classical Press and all of the different curriculum that they provide. I know there are several other homeschool moms here on YouTube that share about the Gentle and Classical Press, and it is just so beautiful. I've looked at it a few different times and have really enjoyed looking over their website and just seeing how we could use some of their materials in our homeschool. I didn't originally think that I could really use it until my younger kids got a little bit older, but then once I found out about this On Mission magazine history, geography, social studies curriculum, I knew that I had to try it. I did correspond a little bit with some of their team members, and they are just amazing to work with. So if you order something from them and have questions or something didn't come correctly, they are very helpful and they respond back to you extremely quickly, and they have just been so great to work with. So thank you again to the Gentle and Classical Press for sending me the 3 magazines that I currently have. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. And stay tuned here on my channel for future videos about the On Mission magazines from the Gentle and Classical Press. Don't forget to check out the description box down below for a couple of different things. First, I have a link to the Gentle and Classical Press website so that you can go and look and see if there are any items that you would like to purchase during their 40% off sale right now through April 23rd. I'll also link a playlist to my curriculum pick videos that I have done so far for the 2025-2026 school year. So far, I have done a math curriculum picks, language arts. Next week is history, geography, and science. And then the week after that will be extracurriculars and electives. So definitely check out that playlist down below if you're interested in seeing my curriculum picks for next year. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today at our homeschool table, and we'll see you next time.